Hi, greetings. I'm Sharon Burns, owner and operator of RX Catering in the DC metro area. And we're back, Cooking with Sharon. Today, I have an awesome recipe that's going to be great for all types of events and a healthy option for you. As you can see here, we have avocado and some other ingredients. Shrimp and arugula. What are we going to make out of this? Well, I'm glad you asked. We're going to make a shrimp avocado chutney cup. And this is going to be, like I said, a great option for all types of events. You can have it at your corporate luncheon. You could serve it to your friends when they come over for brunch. Hey, you could just eat it for dinner when you need something quick to fix. So let's get started. We're going to start off, actually, you know what? I don't know if you all know how to cut an avocado. I mean, before I got involved in doing this on a daily basis, I'm like, what do I do with this? I mean, how do I cut it? How do I peel it? Well, it's simple, and let me just show you. So we're going to take just a basic paring knife, and I've actually washed the outside of both of my avocados, and what we're going to do is just go in a circular motion. We're going to cut it in half, just like this, and try to stay straight, and you should be able to just pop like that. And then how do we get the seed out? Just take a regular chef knife and just tap it, turn your seed, voila, it's out. It's so simple. So we're going to do our other one, and I actually, a lot of times with avocado, as you all may notice, is that it gets brown. Well, I have a solution for that, a quick solution. So, and then we're going to take this and just peel off the skin. Like I said, it's so simple. And I started to talk about your avocado browning. Well, as you see right here, I actually cut one a little bit earlier just so I can show. This has been sitting out for about an hour now. And what I did was I put it in olive oil and lime juice. So not only are we going to maintain the nice, vibrant color of it, but it's not going to turn brown. And that's going to be imperative when we are serving for a dinner party, because we don't want to serve brown avocados. And then also, it's going to have a great flavor added to it. So what I will do is finish peeling these, and I'm going to make, I'm going to add these to this bowl as well. And then we will have, let's see, 6 halves. You all know I don't know how to cook in small doses. And it's okay, because I have friends that will come and eat this afterwards. So we have our avocados, we're peeling them, and we're going to have a great flavor. I'm going to take these out right here. Well, actually, let me just put them off to the side. I'm going to put them here, because these have been sitting, like I said. So we're just going to keep kind of like coating and covering them. And then we're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper for additional flavor. So we have this part almost done. Like I said, it's very simple. Voila. All right. So what's going to go in this avocado cup? Well, I have shrimp here. Shrimp is one of my favorites. So we're going to add it along with the chutney. So I have here some already pre-made shrimp. Pre-cooked. Now you can use a variety of different types of shrimp. We want shrimp that's going to fit in our little cup area, and then also it's going to be easy. But these, as you know, if they're pre-cooked, they don't have a lot of flavor to them. So I'm all about flavor. So we're just going to add some flavor to them. And I'm going to take my olive oil right here, and we're just going to saute them just for a minute. We don't want to overcook them. And we're going to add in a little bit of blackening, just so we can kind of coat them. Coat them with a little flavor. You guys know that I am all about, there's garlic in this mixture. This is like a blackening seasoning that I've kind of put together. I've created for all of my seafood recipes or entrees. So there's garlic in here, there's blackening, there's Old Bay, a couple other things. Maybe I'll share with you another time. All right, so we have our shrimp going right here. And as it is slowly cooking, we're going to take diced tomatoes. I have a bowl right here. We're going to add to it. This is cilantro. So we're going to add in some cilantro and red onion right here. We'll add some of that in. And, I didn't really prepare. I'm sorry. So we have everything right here, and we're going to add in a little bit of olive oil, and then a little bit of salt right here, and a little bit of pepper. And our shrimp is cooking up or marinating nicely. We'll add just a little bit more. And like I said, I'm going to have enough for 6 people or 3 people that want to eat a whole avocado. So what are some benefits of avocado? I think we talked about this before, but just to refresh our memory, you all know that it is so super beneficial as far as being healthy. It's a fruit, as you all know, and it's filled with tons of vitamins. Vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin B3, B5, B6, vitamin E. I mean, we could go on and on. And one of the great things about this, it's a healthy fat. So not only with this avocado could we, have it as just this chutney bowl, but we could eventually turn it into guacamole. And we'll demonstrate that another time. But for now, we're going to make this a nice avocado chutney cup with shrimp. So I think we are almost done with this. We're going to take our shrimp and we are going to add it to this bowl. And I didn't prepare very well today, so I'm going to put on a glove because I don't have a spoon. But, here we just improvise, so it's all good. And we see, as you see, we're just mixing everything together. I'm going to add in a little bit of a little more red onion. And as you see, this is something that's going to be very flavorful, healthy, good, and quick. I mean, I think we did this in, less than 15 minutes. But this is what we're going to do now. Put that off to the side just for a moment. And then these avocado cups, I want to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper to them. Just for flavor. And we will, all right. So now, to finalize everything, we're going to put this on a bed of arugula. Now, why arugula, Sharon? Well, I mean, we can't use iceberg lettuce. There's no healthy benefit in iceberg, I'm telling you. I mean, it's good to add into a salad, but as far as eating it by itself, no ma'am, no sir. We want to have the most benefit out of what we're eating when we are preparing things. So, I have a bed of arugula right here, and as you know, it's full of vitamin A. It has a ton of antioxidants, and actually, it provides overall cell support or growth for your immune system. And the one thing I like about it, it helps with your vision. I mean, I need some assistance myself. I'm getting a little older. I do wear glasses, but, I need some assistance. So we're going to place this on a bed of arugula, and then we're going to fill our chutney cups. Our avocado cups. Sorry, the chutney is what's going in it. So, this is looking pretty good. I am going to just take this little cup right here, and we're going to scoop it into our avocado. And as you see right here, it is looking oh so good. I'm telling you, this is going to be so flavorful, and you're going to enjoy this. Your guests will enjoy it. I'm going to enjoy it in a minute, and I know probably one of my friends will too. But as you see, this is a healthy meal. This could be served as an appetizer as well. But you have several different options, as you see right here. So it's something cute too. I'm all about cuteness. When we're doing presentations, having different dinner parties, or just like I said, it could be served at lunch. But this could be a meal. So it's simple, easy. And one thing we're going to top it off with is you could eat it like this, for sure. Definitely. However, I like a little bit of glaze, and I have made a balsamic glaze. I'm going to show you that probably another time, how to make a homemade balsamic glaze. But this right here you can just take, and we're just going to kind of finish it off. So as you see here, bam, we have our avocado shrimp chutney bowls, or cups, as you will, on a bed of arugula. So good. So if you are interested in trying this out, or having us actually prepare it for you for any type of upcoming event, function, corporate meeting, please check out our website at artscateringdc.co. As always, we appreciate you joining us today. I hope you learned something new, and have a great evening.